Cat grooming. Benefits for the health of the cat. Tidy appearance of a beloved cat is not the only benefit of cat grooming. Representatives of long-haired breeds need a haircut for objective reasons, to remove tangles. Lumps of hair that form on the cat's body ruin the cat's appearance and are a place where dirt accumulates. Another bad thing about lumps of hair is that you can't wash the cat with lumps of hair on the body. The skin under the tangle takes a long time to dry, and this leads to inflammation. Also, your pet will eat too much hair while you're trying to lick the lump. Blockage of the esophagus by the hair leads to vomiting. In advanced cases, you have to go to the cat veterinarian with this problem. How often should a cat be sheared? Shearing is relevant during the molting period, when the cat leaves scraps of hair everywhere. At the same time, a visit to the groomer does not cancel the need to comb out the pet during the period of hair change. If there are small children in the house, it is a good idea to regularly trim the four-legged pets so that hair on the floor does not lead to asthma and chronic allergies in children. When a cat is outdoors regularly, a haircut is necessary so that the pet brings home less dirt and germs. Features of cat grooming. Long-haired cats need regular haircuts as their hair grows. If your pet is a thoroughbred exhibitor, a visit to the cat groomer should be scheduled several months in advance of the show date. Hair on the cat's face, head and inside the ears should not be cut, as it will damage the cat's psyche and well-being. If a cat gets tangles, you should not just cut them off with scissors. You can easily injure the cat's skin this way. You should visit a groomer or get a lint cutter that does not discomfort your cat. Cats are willful animals and do not always like to get their hair cut. Sometimes in grooming salons they give anxious divas a myorelaxant injection with the owner's consent. Such an injection leads to relaxation of the muscles, which allows the master to quickly and without the cat's protests to tidy up the cat's hair. Haircutting a cat with the use of muscle relaxants is a common occurrence, but not always safe. Consult your veterinarian about any contraindications in the case of your cat. Most often groomers use xylazine and its analogs. As side effects, the animal may experience the following short-term symptoms: decreased blood pressure, arrhythmia, respiratory impairment, twitching of the limbs. We do not recommend agreeing to myorelaxants for owners of cats of advanced age or pets with cardiac and pulmonary diseases. If the animal has no chronic diseases, such an injection will pass without consequences. To do without muscle relaxants during the procedure, call the groomer at home. The cat feels calm and less nervous in the native walls. In addition, calling a specialist is more convenient for the owner of the pet. You do not need to take a carrier and wait for your turn in the salon. The cost of haircutting a cat is lower than the same service for a dog, and this is great news. By the way, professional grooming also includes claw trimming, which is important for owners who take care of furniture. Types of cat grooming. There are the following types of grooming for cats. Hygienic grooming includes removal of tangles, trimming hair to an acceptable length, combing out when molting, removing hair in intimate areas, and trimming sharp claws. Hygiene grooming is good for your pet's well-being and is necessary for dermatitis, flea infestations, and to prevent ear mites. Show grooming is necessary to highlight the virtues of the pet and delicately conceal its flaws. The most popular types of exhibition grooming are lion, poodle, puma, and dragon haircuts. Many people are interested in the question of whether it is possible to cut a cat's hair yourself. If desired, every owner of a four-legged beauty can make haircuts for a cat on their own. Home grooming helps to keep the pet clean, because the short hair is easier to care for. Haircuts can be performed with regular scissors, or you can buy a special trimmer for this purpose. Other professional tools are useful for home grooming: blow dryers, clippers, hair dryers, lint removers, and massage brushes. To calm your pet down and get through pet grooming faster, call a helper. He will hold the animal in place during the procedure and help finish the job faster. For care of cats and cats of all breeds and ages, contact the Kaliningrad Regional Center for Veterinary Medicine. A branch of our veterinary clinic is also open for four-legged pets of Svetlogorsk. If you do not have the opportunity to bring your cat to the reception, call the vet at home at a convenient time. The clinic has a pharmacy with a wide range of drugs and products for the care of pets. Questions about visiting the vet can be asked by calling the clinic. Thank you for viewing.